In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on spell check in Google Chrome. If you write emails, fill out forms, or post comments online, Chrome's built-in spell check can save you time and prevent typos. Turning it on takes just a minute, and once it's enabled, it works anywhere you type in the browser. Start by opening Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots, also called the More menu. Click that to open the menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This opens Chrome's settings in a new tab where you can control everything from privacy to appearance. On the left side of the settings page, click Languages. Depending on your version, it may appear as Languages and Spell Check, but you're looking for the section that manages language preferences. This page controls the languages Chrome displays and the tools it uses to help you type. If you don't see languages right away, scroll the left panel or use the search box at the top of settings and type spell to jump directly to the spell check section. On managed school or work devices, some options may be locked. Now find the area labeled spell check or check for spelling errors when you type on web pages. Turn the toggle on. That's it. Spell check is now active across sites in Chrome. A couple of quick tips to make it work the way you want. If you see options for basic and enhanced spell check, basic checks your spelling locally in the browser, while enhanced uses online services for more comprehensive suggestions. Choose the level that matches your comfort with cloud services. You can also pick which languages to check. If you write in more than one language, enable spell check for each language so Chrome can recognize and underline mistakes appropriately. And if Chrome keeps flagging a word you use often, like a brand name or a technical term, look for the custom dictionary option in this same section to add that word so it won't be marked as an error. To test it, go to any site with a text box and type a deliberately misspelled word. You should see a red underline. Right-click the underlined word to view suggestions and click a suggestion to correct it instantly. If you ever want to turn spell check off, just return to the same toggle and switch it off. That's all you need to enable spell check in Google Chrome. With this feature on, you'll catch mistakes faster and write with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.